In this video, I'll show you how to turn on dividend reinvestment on Robinhood step by step. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. To turn on dividends reinvestment on Robinhood, begin by opening the app and navigating to your account. From there, scroll down and tap on Settings. Inside Settings, look for the Investing tab on the left-hand side and tap on it. Under Investing, you'll see the Dividend Reinvestment option. Tap on this to access the reinvestment settings. First, make sure the feature is turned on. Once enabled, you can select which stocks you want to reinvest dividends into. For each stock, simply check or uncheck the box next to it. This allows you to customize which positions will automatically reinvest dividends and which will not. Once you've selected your preferences, your dividends will be automatically reinvested into the chosen stocks, helping your portfolio grow over time. Now these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. And also, if you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, click the video showing up on your screen to watch a detailed review.